Good morning, students. Today, this is my third lecture on the topic of changing trend and career in physical education. Today, we will discuss about Khelo India program. Khelo India program was launched by our Indian government and Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi in the year of 2018 to develop the sports, to aware the people regarding sports, and to develop the infrastructures in our country. Khelo India program is divided in two categories. One in under 17 school games, and next one is at the level of university games. Khelo India school games, which is the part of the Khelo India program, and it was started, and the first session has been held from 31st January to 8th February 2018 in New Delhi. In under 17 groups, number of athletes have been invited to participate across the 16 disciplines. 16 disciplines are, that is archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, gymnastics, hockey, judo, kabaddi, kho-kho, shooting, स्विमिंग, वॉलीबॉल, वेटलिफ्टिंग एंड रेसलिंग. इनके अलावा भी कुछ देसी खेल जो कुछ एरियाज में पॉपुलर है, इंडिजीनियस गेम्स जिनको बोलते हैं, उन गेम्स को भी मेन स्ट्रीम्स में लाने के लिए ये गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम किए गए. What is the main purpose to organize these Khelo India, and what is the main purpose of the Khelo India program? Through Khelo India program, the special committees identify a priority sports discipline. Priority sport discipline means that 16 disciplines are included in all that disciplines. The priority base पर through high powered committee was selected some sportsmen, and they are getting a 5 lakh rupees per annum for 8 years to improve their sports performance. एक हाई लेवल कमेटी है होती है जो अंडर 17 स्कूल गेम्स और यूनिवर्सिटी गेम्स से टैलेंटेड स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स को सेलेक्ट करती है डिफरेंट गेम्स में, and they provided 5 lakh rupees per annum for 8 years to improve their performance and get a training for national and international games. Khelo India school games and Khelo India university games. Khelo India school games, it is a part of Khelo India program, and the first session is held in New Delhi in 2018, and in 2019 it was held in Pune, and the third session was held in 2020 in Guwahati. In Guwahati, the event will witness 20 national level multidisciplinary and the grassroots games to get played among the age group of 17 and under 21 years categories. दो कैटेगरीज में ये थर्ड सेशन जो गुवाहाटी में आयोजित किया गया in 2020, ये अंडर 17 ईयर्स एंड अंडर 21 ईयर्स दोनों कैटेगरीज में ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया. महाराष्ट्र हैज वन द ओवरऑल games and top in the medal tally with 78 gold medals, 77 silver medals and 101 bronze medals. And Maharashtra has broken his previous year record of total medal of 228 medals created at Pune पुणे में भी महाराष्ट्र फर्स्ट पोजीशंस पे था ओवरऑल एंड 220 टोटल मेडल्स महाराष्ट्र हैज वन एंड इन गुवाहाटी he break his record and won 256 medals in 20 disciplines. And in Guwahati there are the participation states and union territory, the total number of the participation of 37 state and union territories. And we know that the first session is held in 2018. And the objectives, जो इनके objectives हैं उसको different categories में describe किया गया है. And here we see in third session the host city is Guwahati. Participating teams are 37. Total number of athletes are near about 10,000. And 451 event is conducted in 20 sports discipline. And the opening ceremony is done on 10th January 2020. Closing ceremony was held on 22nd January 2020. And the Chief Minister of Assam, Sarvanand Sonewal, and the Sports Minister, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, are the chief guest of that opening ceremony. And the torch lighter athletes, the Hima Das, get opportunity to light the torch of third Khelo India program, which was held in Guwahati. And the objectives are to accomplish the above objectives, means to search the talents, give them scholarships, and make a awareness program among the peoples throughout the sports. It has been divided into 12 verticals that are support to national, regional, states sports academics. Through Khelo India programs, different academies are running through different organizations at the state level and the national level to promote them, give them facilities, physical fitness of school children. Through Khelo India program, different programs are conducting at the schools level to make the students fit. Sports for women, to give opportunity to women to make a suitable platform for the women to participate in the games and sports. Promotion of the sports amongst people with disabilities. Through Khelo India programs, they have made some certain programs for the children with the disabilities to bring them in a mainstreams. Sports for peace and development. Through sports, we know that the different peoples are coming from different religions and different cultures. To make them peace through games, give the message for peace and development, promotion of rural and indigenous tribal games. तो खेलो इंडिया प्रोग्राम्स कुछ रूरल और ट्राइबल गेम्स जो हैं उनको भी प्रमोट करते हैं. प्ले फील्ड डेवलपमेंट्स, that is the main objectives. The cities which are hosting the Khelo India programs, they get opportunity to develop their infrastructure like international levels up to the international standard. Community coaching developments means give opportunity in the field of coachings, and we have seen the different clubs are organizing the coaching camps and different games to give them opportunity, them also to develop them. State level Khelo India centers, government has made a state level Khelo India center in all the state and union territories. Organize annual sports competitions in every sports. Talent search and development. Through Khelo India program, the main aim and main objective is that to search the talent from all over the countries, because we know that the talents we get from the grassroots level, from the schools only, and give them time to prepare for international and Olympic levels. utilization and creation of upgradation of sports infrastructures. When we take part or organize a Khelo India program or organize any types of games and sports, through that we are upgrading our infrastructures because the time to time technique has changed, some measurements and equipments are changed at the international levels. So according that we get an opportunity to upgrade our infrastructures and sports infrastructures. So Khelo India program is very good for the talented sports persons. They are getting 5 lakh rupees annually as a scholarship to develop their games and sports. So students, thank you very much.